Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we have some pretty hard to find parts for a Hercules G1600 engine. I believe this is in a sweeper, like a mobile sweeper. Complete engine gasket set, rod bearings, main bearings, cam bearings, pistons and rings in 40. A surplus new carburetor, a surplus new water pump, a surplus new fuel pump, some tune-up parts, and a factory manual for the customer, and a thermostat as well. So real nice folks. Happy to see them save this machine. 215-236-8500. It's jobbersinc.com. We've saved thousands of machines. Well, with older American-made engines, keep us running, save us money, put these great machines back to work. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Over 70 years, industrial engine parts and service.